Class 2 GK. Okay, let's start. So previous day we have given you homework. This one you have done important dates and days and dates. This is finished. Let's do this one today. Try yourself. This is what we have done all these days. Okay, the few chapters. This is just a revision of all the questions of the few chapters we have done in the previous. Okay, previous class. Now this one you will do by yourself. This is all revision. Now see. Write the date. Now try yourself. You have to try by yourself. Now see, it's written try yourself. Let us practice. What is your aim in life? What is your aim in life? You will write. The brothers of my parents are my brothers of my parents. Parents' brother will be your what? Uncle. Which is the largest organ in our body? This one you write, largest organ in our body. Our sense of dash is affected when we have pink eyes. This one also I have taught you. You go to school at what time you go to school? Write all the months, January, February till December you will write here. When do we celebrate Earth Day? Earth Day, see, 22nd April. What are your hobbies? You have to write your hobbies. Drawing, painting, singing, anything you can write. Who are your cousins? Your cousins' names you will write. When do we celebrate World Health Day? When do you celebrate World Health Day? World Health Day, 7th April you will write here. Now, identify these pictures. Which month of the year is it by showing the image? See, it's hot sun. So what will be this? Which month of the year? It will be June. It will be what? When is too much hot? June, July. Okay? You write the month name. It can be July also, it can be June also. It's too hot in June, July. Okay, now, which important day is shown by the image when it is celebrated? See, mother. So what is the important day here? Mother's Day. What will be? Which important day is shown by this image when it is celebrated? 2nd. It's Mother Day, so you will write 2nd of May. When it is celebrated, you will write 2nd of May. Which month? You have to write the month name. You can write a June, July, anything, any month. When it is too hot, the weather is, okay? Okay, this one you will do by yourself. It's very easy. Now, this one also, it's all revision. It's not, nothing is new in this page. This we have revised. We have done this, the previous chapters here. The previous chapter revisions are there, all, okay? See, all you read this one, you will get this all previous chapters revision. Sense organs, daily routine, okay? Then calendars, then organs. Our skin is the largest organ, see. Which is the largest organ in our body? Skin. Because whole body is covered with skin. Clear? See. Which is the largest organ in our body? You try skin. This also, pink eyes, that means the organ is eye. All is very easy. Okay? If you are not able to get the answers, you can do something, you can revise. You can read the previous chapters once. Okay? Then you will get all the answers. All the answers are in the previous chapters only. Okay? Calendars, important dates will get here. Aim of life, this one you will write by yourself. Brother of my parents. Okay? Parents' brother will be your uncle. The brother of my parents are my uncle. Uncles now. Largest organ, skin. Our sense of dash is affected when we have pink eyes. At what time do you go to school? Write all the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. When do we celebrate Earth Day? 22 April, that is 22nd April. What are your hobbies? You will write your hobbies. Cousins, who are your cousins? You will write the cousin's name. When do we celebrate World Health Day? World Health Day is on 7th April. Clear? All these things are done. If you are not able to get any answer, you look back the previous pages. You will get all the answers. You revise the previous pages once and you will get all the answers. Okay? And this too is very easy. Identify the pictures. Now you have to write which month here. It's too hot, summer. Summer month name. One summer month name. And here, which important day is shown in this image? Okay? Mother. So it is a Mother's Day when it is celebrated. Which important day is shown by the image? It is Mother's Day. And when it is celebrated, you can write here 2nd May. This you can write here June. I'm doing. This is 2 questions are there. So important day is Mother's Day. Where it is celebrated? Second Sunday of May. Okay, clear? Mother's Day and second Sunday of May it will be, and this will be June, or you can write July also. The month which is too hot, June, July basically. Okay, clear? And this one you do by yourself. This one will be your homework. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.